step should just be to focus on this top menu. Now, it's not going to be all you do, but let's work on getting this stuff in place as our top level menu. I also want to call out a couple of other things. You've got need help. That is a button. It is a clickable piece of the navigation. I also want to call your attention to these two things. These are also clickable parts of what I would consider your primary navigation. Again, I want to point out that there's no home page, but the sunny flowers, that acts as your home button. So go on ahead and call that one out and possibly just list it as logo, okay? Or home/logo, all right? So we're going to start by grabbing hold of home and then all of these others. And I want to point something else out here. This website, take a quick look. I want you to go to this, or when you look at this one right here, I'm going to go to the exact same website. I want you to see that there's a different one. This one is the Roanoke Valley one. This is the generic nationwide national version, okay? So if you choose one and there's a nationwide variety, and then there's a local variety and there's a nationwide variety, feel free to choose the one that you prefer. There's not a right or wrong answer here. So you'll notice that here there's a lot of the same things, but I've got funeral plants and anniversaries, whereas here I've got WOW collection, okay? So pick the one that you prefer if you've got something like this. All right, so let's take a quick look, and I'm going to be using a tool called Miro. You do not have to use this tool. I would prefer you do, in fact, you should do all of this with real Post-it notes. I'm doing it on screen so that you can see it, and I don't have to set up a camera. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my home page in. That home page, again, we're just doing this top level navigation. We've got home, we've got birthday, and then I'm going to add sympathy, occasions, shop by, WOW collection, and plants. And remember, I said that these two right here, shop and my account, are also ones to use. And so I'm going to add shop and my account. I'm going to spell it correctly this time too. All right, so that's all I'm really looking for you to do, is to get your top level navigation in Post-it notes, and that will be where we start from. All right, I'll see you in the next video where we go deeper into the menu items.